Good morning! Day 2. We are ready. No driving for me, Boo, because he was so tired yesterday. We're going to take the bus. And bus is easy. Right, love? Oh.
Supposedly.
And if we get lost, we'll take a taxi. That would be the first time. But hopefully not.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Are you excited, though?
For the bus or for the center?
For the center.
For the center, yes. For the bus, I'm not.
Finally found the right bus. Ugh.
Somebody got in trouble.
I don't care. The driver was like, you should ask permission if you're filming the bus. I'm like, it's a public area. I'm not filming you, I'm filming the bus. I was confused because he was like, and then he laughed. So he was
He's a famous artist. Pretty sure he's joking.
We found a Korean food.
Through your nose.
No! Yay! We got Korean food after a year.
Did you tell me no?
Yeah.
Through your nose. Ow!
So we are now exploring Bristol. I actually like this city. It's my kind of city. There's a lot of people roaming around and they're free and look like they don't care about what they wear. Alright, we'll get you Costello.
Quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense. Quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense. Quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi.
This is actually fun. I'm loving this city right now.
Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi.
Just got done with our boat ride. Now we're trying to walk to the suspension bridge to see it. So we're just roaming around right now. Traveling is not complete without seeing a lovely church. This one's gigantic too. My hubby boo is dying because he has pants and shirt and it's super hot. Everyone's wearing skirt. Sexy tank tops for girls and guys on shorts. Like, it's hot.
Furry convention.
Yeah.
That we're watching right now.
This is the first time I've seen it in real life.
I've
But
only seen them on cringe compilations.
look at them. Bristol, oh my, drop my phone. But Bristol, oh my gosh. I can live here. Yeah, this is a lovely trip. Thank you so much, boo. We're not even done yet. We have another day tomorrow.
In the giant cathedral.
Which is amazing, by the way. So I'll let you see what my view is. Why are you excited?
Let me see your phone.
So the last time you've eaten it is in Korea, right?
In Songnam.
Yeah, that one's really good. Done for today. And
We still have a game to watch.
okay. We're still watching football with my love.
Champions League final.
But
Let's kebab.
Bristol, you have been fun.
Kebab.
I love Bristol. I'm in love with it.
Who's Bristol?
Bristol is my other guy.
I'm just gonna go off of Cardiff. Okay, go off of Cardiff. You don't even know if Cardiff is great. But Bristol is nice. And it was a long day of walking and grabbing good food, and now we're going back to our hotel. But
Super comfy bed.
day 2, and we are having lots of fun, like always.